so that they become members of the local area network, LAN, as if the same clients were using wired connections. Access points act as the central point of access. Hence the name AP name, access point, controlling client access to wireless LAN. An autonomous AP is self-contained. It is equipped with both wired and wireless hardware so that the wireless client associations can be terminated onto a wired connection locally at the AP. The APs and their autonomous APs offer one or more fully functional standalone basic service sets, BSSs. And as you can see, we went over this the other night, and it was wireless network architecture with autonomous APs. So it just stated we have the SSIDs, which is right here, wireless LAN, SSIDs, which is the identifiers, service set identifiers, wireless service set identifiers, SSIDs. And then has the management, trunk link, core layer, distribution layer, access layer, autonomous APs. And we'll go over this in detail a little bit later, but I just want to give you the general terminology of what we went over the other day in day 4. I believe it is day 5. So yeah, day 4. Now, what does it offer? An autonomous AP offers a short and simple path for data to travel between the wireless and wired networks. Data has to travel only through the AP to reach the network on the other side, and two wireless users that are associated to the same autonomous AP can reach each other through the AP access point without having to pass up into the wire network. As you work through the wireless architectures discussed in the rest of this chapter, notice the data path that is required for each. So they go really into details about data management, VLANs that may need to reach every autonomous AP. But you know what? The one thing about this autonomous AP architecture, it could be very cumbersome. Like I said earlier, I mean, it's a standalone, which is why we typically do go with WLC. Basically because it's a standalone. I mean, you have the option of doing it autonomous, and you can configure it individually, but that becomes it becomes cumbersome, and you got to think about the scalability. You know, for scaling purposes, it's always a good idea to go with the wireless LAN controller because it's a single point of administration. And not only that, it's because we can have one place of contact. So, I mean, that's, it's good to read about this stuff, but yeah, I mean, in all actuality, on the CCNA exam, we're going to go over, it'll be wireless LAN controller. The big picture is that. And we do have a split MAC architectures, and it states with that, because autonomous APs are well autonomous, managing their RF operation can be difficult. Yeah, so it's difficult. So why do we even want to bother with that? It's difficult. Yeah. And this is autonomous versus lightweight access point. And you can read this on your own time. But what I'm going to read to you tonight is, let's go on over to the wireless LAN controller. All right, so suppose you want to